looky here. First one, first one of the day. He's gonna be that way. Holy moly, come here. I'm just trying to put you back in the lake, bro. He's decent. Remember, I'm recording on 0.5. A little bit bigger than you look. He gone. Got something there. No, 54 degrees in August when I got up this morning. It's a little cool. Lake is all froggy. Water temperature is 81. Oh, I got off. Dadgummit. Got something here. Oh yeah. Boom. Beautiful fish. Got a little crooked tail though. Look at this little crooked tail. This feels like a decent one. Looky there. Chill out. Gotta back off this sucker. See all them Christmas trees up there? He was in them. Decent. Oh, here's something right at the boat. Oh. Don't move, buddy. Hold on. There he is. I got him out. It almost got his eye, but it didn't. It's all good. Right up here in this shallow water. Well, I didn't catch a lot. Had a few get off. Still a good day. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.